Fashion Depot, Dress Up, Trendcycle Ukay Ukay Boutique, located at General Romeo Ave, Cubao, Quezon City, open daily from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Short background tayo ng Fashion Depot, Trendcycle Ukay Ukay Boutique. It is a small local thrift shop that sells second-hand clothes, bags, and shoes, and mga plushies and at the affordable price. Yung business kasi na to nagpo-promote siya ng affordable fashions, sustainable clothing, o yung mga recycling clothes. And yung mga 20 branded item naman na makikita natin sa low price pero may mga value pa rin. And target customer kasi na uh, itong ukay-ukay na to is yung mga young adults and budget conscious na student and yung mga families na gusto magtipid pero gusto makakita ng mga maayos na clothes. Business operations, ito yung mga supply na binibili yung clothes or bulk or bail from their suppliers. Ito kasing items na to are sorted, wash, and display properly. Yung pricing kasi nito nag-range to ng 40 to 700. It depends on the quality of clothes and the brand. Kasi yung mga ano dito, some branded items, nagpa-price talaga siya ng higher. So, makikita natin na yung magaganda, price din, pero budget. And yung marketing kasi nito is yung Facebook live selling, posting yung arrivals weekly sa Sockmed nila, and yung word of mouth promotions. Yung competitive advantage kasi netong shop na to, unique and branded finds, yung mga nakikita sa kanila, pero at a lower price compared to malls. And eco-friendly sila. Yung mga nag-promote sila ng mga reused clothes, identified problems kasi nito yung mga unpredictable quality of clothes na nasa bale and yung mga seasonal decreasing customers. And strong competitor pero wala naman silang competitor na mas makakatalo sa kanila since sila yung pinakamalaking ukay-ukay dito sa Cubao. Yan yung mga proposed solutions natin dito. Pwede tayo mag-post regularly on social media like yung mga OOTD styling videos and pwede tayo mag-offer ng promo sales buy 2 take 1 and syempre create a loyalty card system. In conclusion, Passion Depot Tricycle Ukay Boutique plays an important role in providing affordable fashion while promoting sustainability with a better marketing and organizations. The business has strong potential for growth. Thank you and good day.